Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stop TikTok from suggesting your account to your contact. Alright guys, let's get into it. First thing first, let's just open up our TikTok application. And after that, we have to go to our profile. And after our profile has been opened, we can go to the TikTok setting by clicking on these three lines on the top right. Okay, and select the settings and privacy. Then you have to go to the privacy right here. Okay, and select suggest your account to others. And if you want to stop your TikTok from suggesting your account to your contact, you have to turn off the contact right here. Okay, and now the contact has been turned off and the TikTok will not suggest your account to your contact anymore. Alright guys, and that's how we can stop TikTok from suggesting your account to your contact. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.